As we're starting to see a drop in interest rates, I've been doing quite a few of the VA refinance loans. You might hear them as a VA IRRRL. You might hear them as a VA streamline, but the acronym is an IRRRL. That stands for Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan. It's for all VA veterans and service members that have a active VA loan in good standing. What this is going to do, it's going to give you the opportunity to take advantage of lower interest rates, which then is going to give you a lower monthly payment. There's some parameters that you've got to hit to qualify for it. One, you have to have made 6 payments on your current mortgage. It has to have been 210 days since you made that first mortgage payment, and your interest rate on the new refinance has to have dropped by at least 0.5% from your current interest rate. If you meet all of those parameters, then you can qualify to take advantage of the refinance loan. Closing costs. Don't let anyone tell you that it's free or there's no closing costs. The benefit of the refinance loan is that you can take those closing costs that you've got to pay, and then you can roll them into the new loan this time, where on your first primary VA loan, you had to pay those closing costs out of pocket. The fees, though, are less this time around. You still have a VA funding fee. It's only 0.5% this time if you aren't exempt. You've got title fees, you've got taxes, you've got escrow payments still. The benefits, though, most likely we're going to do the refinance with the same closing company that you did your purchase on. They're going to give you what's called a reissue rate. All right, so it's lower title fees this go around. And again, the benefit is we can take all those closing costs and then we can roll them into the new loan. More than likely, you're going to be able to come to the closing table with this one with no cash out of pocket. Some other benefits of doing this. Basically, you're getting a whole new loan. So one of the benefits is you're going to skip a month of a mortgage payment. Or let's say, for example, you close this refinance on October 31st. You're not going to have a mortgage payment due November. Your first mortgage payment's going to be due in December. The other benefit, you're going to get your escrow money back from your current servicer in the form of a check. You've got a current escrow balance with homeowners insurance and property taxes. You're going to get that money back in the form of a check. And then the other big one is you're going to have a lower monthly payment too. So those are really the benefits of doing the refinance. A lot of times people think refinance is a bad word or there's something shady to it. There's not in this case. The government has set it up where if interest rates drop, they want to make it easy for you to refinance and take advantage of those new interest rates and get a lower payment. If you have any questions on it, let me know. We can do these in all 50 states, do these VA IRRRL refinances. So if you have any questions on it or you want me to take a look at your numbers, it's a pretty smooth process to do, much less intense than it was on getting your first loan, okay? So any questions, let me know. Have a good one.